Tesla made a big announcement during their 2023 Investor Day. They're planning to build a massive new factory in Mexico, near the city of Monterrey. This will be their 6th gigafactory, and is expected to be one of the largest automotive manufacturing plants in the world. The new site will be used to produce the next generation of all-electric Tesla vehicles, but the company has been tight-lipped about the specifics. The total cost of the project is estimated to be over $10 billion, and will include the latest advancements in Tesla's technology, aimed at making affordable, high-volume electric cars for the masses. Welcome back to Elon Forecast. Make sure you have subscribed to our channel, so you never miss any updates on the latest news and developments in the world. During an Investor Day event in Austin, Texas, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced plans to increase production at all of their gigafactories, and disclosed their strategy to reduce assembly costs in future generations of vehicles. Additionally, Musk revealed that Tesla's plant near Monterrey, Mexico, will complement the output of the other factories, making it a significant announcement for the company. Tom Zhu, the new global production chief, announced at an event that Tesla has the capacity to produce 2 million vehicles per year, and they aim to significantly increase this production level. Although there has been much speculation and communication between Musk and Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador, details on the number of vehicles to be produced annually or Tesla's investment in the plant were not provided. With plants already located in the US, Germany, and China, this marks the first public statement from Tesla regarding their plans for Mexico. This move by Tesla follows recent EV investments made by other major automakers such as BMW, General Motors, and Ford in Mexico, as they shift towards producing more electric vehicles over traditional fossil fuel options. Also, the Mexican government has recently released new information pertaining to the Tesla Gigafactory, revealing that the facility is situated on an expansive 4,200-acre tract of land in the Santa Catarina municipality, in close proximity to Monterrey. This is a significant increase when compared to the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas, which occupies 2,500 acres, a difference of 68%. The investment for the factory in Mexico is rumored to be around $10 billion and will require a workforce of 10,000 people. No one knows all the details yet, but it's expected that the factory will produce vehicles as well as drivetrains and battery cells. Sources say that Mexican officials are predicting an output of 1 million vehicles per year when the factory is up and running, with the potential to add another million later on. Monterrey was chosen as the location due to its proximity to Tesla's corporate offices, and it's only a 7-hour drive from the Gigafactory, Texas. Additionally, Tesla was able to negotiate an agreement that will improve transportation between the locations, making it an even more attractive option. President Joe Biden has been putting a lot of emphasis on the importance of Made in America regulations for cars to be eligible for new subsidies. This is part of a massive spending plan that was approved with the goal of addressing climate change. However, it's worth noting that there are certain exceptions in place for Canada and Mexico. American car manufacturers have increasingly turned to these countries in order to cut costs and increase efficiency. Tesla wants to crank up their production and hit a whopping 20 million units per year, which is a far cry from the measly 1.3 million they sold in 2022. And if they achieve this goal, it could mean more affordable Teslas for the masses at sub-$30,000 prices, like the Toyota Corolla. Elon Musk himself said that people have a strong desire to own a Tesla, but the main hurdle is being able to afford one. This new Model 2 is expected to cost somewhere between $25,000 and $30,000, making it more accessible to a wider range of consumers. However, some experts are skeptical of Tesla's ability to meet these ambitious sales goals, given the competition they're facing and the fact that their next-gen platform is apparently still in the design phase. Plus, the auto market is incredibly fierce and challenging, where high margins and massive volume are practically unheard of. So at the Tesla event, important people at Tesla talked about their plans to make more cars and become a big player in the car industry. This is what their CEO, Elon Musk, has wanted for a long time. They want to use the money from selling expensive cars to make cheaper ones, and keep doing that until they can make really affordable cars. To do this, they need to make more cars because it makes each car less expensive to build. Lars Moravy, who is in charge of making the cars, said they need to change how they make things if they want to make a lot of cars and keep costs low. He said they need to change things a lot if they want to make Elon Musk's plan happen. This is going to be a thrilling project. I'm guessing that Tesla has worked closely with the government to streamline the regulatory process and swiftly move towards production. As we all know, every new Tesla factory is more impressive than the last, thanks to the company's ability to learn from each project and incorporate that knowledge into the next. And this one is particularly exciting because it's drawing on everything they've learned from their factories in Shanghai, Berlin, and Texas, all while being specifically designed for the new generation platform. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you're interested in learning more about Elon Musk and his innovations, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on this exciting technology. Thanks for watching.